In today's rapidly evolving business landscape, the traditional workplace has transformed into a fluid and adaptive ecosystem. This shift is driven by the need to align workspaces with evolving employee needs, organizational goals, and performance metrics. Leaders in real estate, facilities management, IT, and HR now make informed, agile decisions about work nature and location. These decisions are increasingly data-driven, leveraging analytics for strategic choices that enhance productivity, employee satisfaction, and organizational effectiveness. Data-driven decision-making is crucial in industrial automation, where PLCs and advanced software platforms are essential. For instance, programming a PLC to manage machine operation, quality control, and data logging in an automated manufacturing line improves production speed and ensures consistent quality. The data collected can be analyzed to predict maintenance needs and optimize performance. Comprehensive automation software platforms offer a unified environment for designing, programming, and monitoring automated systems, providing tools for detailed project creation, process simulation, and real-time troubleshooting. The modern workplace is dynamic and data-centric, requiring effective leadership to leverage data for informed decisions and operational excellence. And here's why that matters. In today's fast-paced business world, leaders need to make decisions based on more than just intuition. Data analytics provides the insights necessary to drive strategic choices. By analyzing key performance indicators, leaders can identify trends, predict outcomes, and optimize processes. For instance, in industrial automation, data from programmable logic controllers can reveal inefficiencies and areas for improvement. This leads to better decision-making, higher productivity, and ultimately, a more competitive edge. So, when you're faced with a decision, remember, data-driven insights are your best ally. Diving into industrial automation, we encounter two pivotal components: programmable logic controllers, or PLCs, and sophisticated software platforms. Imagine a PLC as the brain of the manufacturing line, meticulously programmed to execute and control operations. It's not just about turning machines on and off, it's about orchestrating a symphony of processes in real time. For instance, setting the scan time parameter to 20 milliseconds ensures rapid response times, crucial for high-speed production lines. On the software side, platforms like Siemens TIA or Rockwell Studio 5000 offer a comprehensive suite of tools for designing, simulating, and troubleshooting automation projects. These platforms allow engineers to create detailed ladder logic diagrams, monitor system performance through HMI interfaces, and even simulate processes before going live. The key here is integration. PLCs communicate with these platforms via protocols like Modbus or Ethernet/IP, enabling seamless data flow and control. Understanding these interactions is essential for optimizing automation systems. And here's why that matters. Mastering these technologies not only enhances production efficiency but also empowers you to make data-driven decisions that can significantly impact your organization's bottom line. Now, let's dive into the nuts and bolts of implementing PLCs in automated manufacturing lines. Imagine a PLC as the brain of your manufacturing process, controlling everything from machine operation to quality checks. To set this up, you'll first need to configure your PLC with the right parameters. Start by setting the communication protocol to Modbus TCP, which is widely supported and efficient. Next, assign unique IP addresses to each PLC to ensure seamless communication across your network. For optimal performance, set the scan time to 50 milliseconds. This ensures your PLC can quickly respond to changes in the manufacturing line. Remember, the key to successful PLC implementation is meticulous configuration and constant monitoring. This not only boosts production speed but also guarantees consistent product quality. And here's why that matters. Precise control over your automated systems leads to reduced operational costs and increased efficiency. But there's more. By analyzing the data collected by your PLCs, you can predict maintenance needs and optimize performance, taking your manufacturing process to the next level. As we conclude, let's synthesize the core values and actionable steps for effective data-driven leadership. The essence lies in transforming raw data into strategic insights. This involves meticulous data collection, robust analysis, and informed decision-making. Leaders must cultivate a data-centric culture, ensuring every decision is backed by empirical evidence. Implement advanced analytics tools and foster cross-departmental collaboration to leverage data effectively. Remember, the goal is not just to collect data but to interpret it meaningfully. This leads to optimized processes, enhanced productivity, and sustained competitive advantage. Embrace this paradigm shift, and you'll navigate the modern workplace with unparalleled agility and precision.